Okay, I'm going to show this to you real quick. I've got it in time and stuff. Anyway, it's in this part of it, it's really, when you're getting it in time, it's a good idea to take the foot off and sometimes even remove the feed dogs, which the feed dogs are right here. I don't do that unless I have to, but sometimes you need to. You have to. So it's very important to understand what the scarf of the needle is, because this is where your hook catches your thread. So right here is the scarf of your needle. Starts right here and it ends right here above the eye. Okay, this is the eye of the needle. Your scarf ends right here. So on a zigzag machine, when you're looking at the front of the machine, and the needle is all the way to the right hand side, so I'm looking at the back, so that makes it to the left, but the needle's all the way to the right hand side, then your hook is going to come through somewhere in this area. And when it's all the way to the, let's see what I say, when it's all the way to the right, yeah, it'll come through in this area here somewhere. And when it's all the way to the left, it's going to come through somewhere right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you here what I'm talking about. All right, so bear with me. Okay, make sure when you set the timing that you are turning your hand wheel in the correct direction, setting the timing. Because if you are not, when you actually run the machine and it turns opposite of the way that you set it, you're going to be way out on timing. And that may actually be what they did. They may have turned the hand wheel the wrong way when they were setting the timing, which means that instead of the hook coming down instead of the needle going up as the hook comes around, the needle will be going down when the hook comes around. So that will get it way out of time. That would probably be somewhere close to 180 degrees out. So that's probably what they did. Normally, most machines, when you're facing the machine, the hand wheel turns from the top towards you. It's especially if you don't sew, it is easy to just turn the hand wheel backwards in the wrong direction when you're trying to work on one. But when you do that, you get everything fouled up. So anyway, make sure you're turning it the right direction. Now you can see as I'm sitting, this needle is all the way over to the right hand side, but if I'm facing the machine, it's going to be to the left. Okay, so the needle comes up or goes down. It's starting up. You see the hook coming around, and I'm going to try to, there we go. Okay, you see the hook coming around right there, right? We are coming into right at the bottom of the scarf. Let me see if I can get anything better. Okay, there we go. So you can see the eye of the needle. Now my camera is kind of up, so it because it's kind of up, it looks like that it's closer to the scarf than what it actually is. But it are closer to the eye than what it actually is. But that hook is right at the bottom of the scarf. Okay, so we're going to keep on going. And you see the needle going over, and I've got it on the widest zigzag possible, and that's what you want to do. Here we go, needle's coming up and right there. Okay, so we are well within the scarf. I will point that out here maybe. If I can get my needle, get this in here, this is the, dang it. Right here, right there is the top of the scarf, and the hook is right there. Okay, so we're good there.